ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಾನ್ಯತೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಂಚಿನ ಮಿಥುನ್ ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಲ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಆಗ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಜೀವನ ನರಾಟು ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಪೂಜಲು ನರಾಟು ಉಜ್ವಲ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ
ಹಿಂದಿ ಅಂಕಲ್ನ ಅಕಲ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಸರಿ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಬೋಪನ ಬರ್ತಿ ಯಾನು ಒಂಜಿ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಮಲ್ತಿತ್ತೆ ಪಿಲಿನಲಿಕೆದ ವೇದಿಕೆಡ್. I had taken an oath. You all have represented our country. You all have made us proud. We couldn't have that privilege to see an international match in our hometown. So I had taken an oath in this venue that every year I'll see through that one or the other cricketer who has represented Team India, who has brought World Cup to Team India, will come here and bless this occasion. So ಪಾತೆರ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಒರಿಪ ಒಂದು ಲಂಚಾದುಪ್ಪುನಾಗ ನಿಕುಲ್ನ ಜೋರಾದ ತಾಟಿ ಒಟ್ಟುದು ಅಕ್ಲೆಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಏತ್ತು ಕೋರೋಡು ಬಂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕಪ್ ತೂನಾಗ ಅಜಿಂಕ್ಯ ರಹಾನೆ ಸರ್ನ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ತೂನಾಗ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ದ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ತೂನಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಲ್ಪರ್ದೇತ್ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿದಾನ, ಮುಲ್ಪರ್ದೇತ್ ತಾಟಿ ಬೊಟ್ಟುದಾನ. ಆ ಮಾತ ತಾಟಿ ಆ ಮಾತ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿದತ ಆ ಮಾತ ವಿಸಿಲ್ದಲ್ಲ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಬಸ್ಲಿತ್ತೆ ಹೊರದೆಪ್ಲೆ. So this is first and foremost, I like to wish you a happy Navratri. To you, have more success, get more trophies to our country. So this is on the eve of Navratri. Goddess Durga's Vahan is tiger. So this is an folk culture performed by our district community to offer her prayers. So this is a very auspicious folk culture. So thanks for coming. ಹೋದ ವರ್ಷನೇ ಬಂತೆ ಮುಂಬೈ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ದ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಇತ್ತದು, IPL ಗವರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ದ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆದಿತ್ತದು. ಇನಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಡ್ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ come only to see you and to see the performance and to wish you all the best so that your future endeavors you'll have the best success.
Mate Regla Namaskara. First of all, I would like to thank Mithunji for inviting me here. It's such an honor, such a pleasure to be here. I have throughout enjoyed my journey. It's so good to be here amongst you all. No, this kind of love we always see on the stadium, inside the stadium, this kind of positivity, this kind of atmosphere. But today, this is my first time in Mangalore. I'm really enjoying it. Since the time I have landed till here, the city, the greenery, I have thoroughly enjoyed it. As sports people, we always like to learn many things. And it's an opportunity for me to learn about this beautiful culture. Coming here in Navratri, it's a special day as you mentioned. So I'm really honored, really privileged to be here. And as you mentioned that you like to invite an international cricketer, Indian cricketer every year. I would like to come here every day, every year. And to witness this beautiful culture, amazing culture, and learn many more things. So thank you once again for this warm welcome, amazing hospitality, and having me here. It's been an absolute honor. Thank you.
ಭಾರತದ ಮಧ್ಯಮ ಕ್ರಮಾಂಕವು ಗಟ್ಟಿದ ಒಂದು ಗೋಡೆ ತನಕ ಇಂದಿನ